Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Well, guess what just happened today? The patent for the new Hubsan drone that's going to be releasing later this year have just been found, revealing the whole design of this new drone. Now, what is Hubsan planning to release? Well, they're planning to release a Mavic 3 killer, and in today's video we have all of the details that you need to know, including the design of the drone, the size of the sensor, the official pricing, and a whole lot more info you're not going to want to miss out on. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel and if you want to keep up to date with any upcoming product, whether it is from DJI, from Autel, or from Hubsan, guys, you already know this is a place to come for all of those updates. So if you're interested, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And also, we're currently in the road to 10,000 subscribers, so you already know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and join the Drone Emotion family so you can help us get to that goal, which we're really not that far away from. So without any much further ado, let's just go ahead and get started with today's video, because it's going to be a quite exciting one. Well, about a month ago, Hubsan gave us our first teaser at their latest upcoming product, and all that they gave us was a teaser that said beyond your imagination, and they gave us a picture of the lens of a camera, and in addition to that there was a price that said $12.99. so that's going to be a price for this new drone from Hubsan. And well, about 2 weeks ago we got another teaser from them, but this time it said a tribute to video studio workers. Now, what is Hubsan planning to release? Well, we know that Hubsan is working on a Mavic 3 killer. You heard that right. I cannot believe that Hubsan are ready to battle one-on-one with the Mavic 3, but it looks like this year we're gonna be having some tough competition on the pro segment, with the Evo 3 coming out, with the Mavic 3, and now with this new Hubsan drone. And well, just today the patents have been found, revealing the whole design of this new drone. So there we have it. What do you think of this brand new design? At a first glance, it kind of looks like a mini Inspired 2 from DJI, but no, this is actually a drone from Hubsan. And well, first thing that we can see is that this is actually going to be a foldable drone. That is correct. This drone is going to be foldable, and from what we can see right there, this drone will also have 360-degree optical avoidance coverage, and we also see a very big battery. I mean, from what I'm seeing right here, I think we can expect a flight time from between 40 to 50 minutes. And we can see how it is that the drone is folded. And also in the last page we have something very interesting, and that is because it looks like the camera might actually hang from the bottom, and it looks like it very possibly could rotate 360 degrees, just like what we have with the Inspired 2. So that basically means this drone could be controlled by two operators, one for the camera and one for the drone. And I mean, if that is what we have right here, I think that will be something absolutely amazing. Now, let me know down in the comment section down below, what do you think of the design of this brand new drone? I am personally very excited to see what Hubsan is preparing for all of us. Now, what is the camera for this new Hubsan drone? Well, even though we still don't have the official name for the product, we have received confirmation from different sources confirming that this new Hubsan drone will be having a micro four thirds sensor. Wow, that is absolutely amazing, and it looks like in 2021 the minimum standard for a pro consumer drone is a micro four thirds sensor. We have seen that with the Mavic 3, with the Evo 3 that will also feature a micro four thirds sensor, and now with this new Hubsan drone. So I cannot wait for this new Hubsan drone to be released. As soon as we have any more new leaks or updates, you already know you're gonna be hearing them here first. That is everything that I have for all of you today. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.